Configuration. Okay, system. Conventional, yeah? Next. Cooling stages. 2. Heat stages. 2. If we have no, okay. Zone installed 2. Stages control tested. Let's see what we have. Timer or zoning. Off. Let's do zones, percentage. Okay, let's do percentage. Okay, so we have a percentage. 2 second stage controls by the percentage. Next. Advanced configuration, yes. Heat fan control, HVAC panel. Hold on, heat panel, HVAC. Heat fan controls, okay, like that. Dobra. Purchase time, it's good. Next. Fan and purge, okay. Unchanged. Purge tempers, yes. Changeover daily. It's fine. I don't know even what the hell is that. Discharge sensor. We do have a discharge sensor, correct? Okay. Up to 160 degrees is gonna shut down the furnace. 40 degrees is gonna shut down the furnace. Okay, and cooling. Yes. Contracts, service changes. Yes. Czyli tam go to